Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can check the PayTM bank account details or PayTM Payments Bank account details of your account. So let's get started. Open your PayTM app or website, and in that you can see a bank option. So this video is from PayTM app. So in that you can see bank option in the below. Click on that and you can see the digital debit card came up, and this is the total balance including wallet and savings account. And you can see that savings account, yeah, here you can see the savings account balance is rupees 100, and this is my name, and account number is my mobile number, and IFSC code is PayTM 01234556. So this way you can check out your account details and IFSC code of your PayTM Payments Bank. If you wish to share this, then there is a link provided to you to directly share. Just click on share account number and IFSC. It will show you the various social apps through which you can share the details to your friends so that you can receive money from them. So this way you can find the PayTM account details through PayTM mobile app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries regarding any other questions regarding PayTM Payments Bank or any other tech things, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never